Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm glad we can meet again this time. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Translating Class KL162 with me, Miss Nurkomaria Agustina from the English Education Department of Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Let's begin our learning today with a topic about complex sentence or kalimat majemuk bertingkat in Bahasa Indonesia. A complex sentence is a sentence that contains one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. In Bahasa Indonesia, kalimat kompleks adalah kalimat yang mengandung satu klausa independen dan setidaknya satu klausa dependent. Independent clause is a complete thought that can stand alone as a sentence. In Bahasa Indonesia, klausa independen adalah pemikiran lengkap yang dapat berdiri sendiri sebagai kalimat. Dependent clause are a clause that cannot stand alone and depends on the independent clause to make sense. In Bahasa Indonesia, klausa dependent adalah klausa yang tidak dapat berdiri sendiri dan bergantung kepada klausa independen untuk memiliki makna. Here are examples of conjunction used in the complex sentences or kalimat majemuk bertingkat. Conjunction serves as connectors that join two independent clauses. Please pause the recording to take a closer look at the different types of conjunction. Here are examples of complex sentences, also known as kalimat majemuk bertingkat. Please pay attention to the position of the conjunction. Do you think it is acceptable to place the conjunction at the beginning of a complex sentence? What are your thoughts on this? Please pause the video for a moment and practice creating complex sentences. Excellent. Let's look at the sentences and compare them with yours. The first sentence is, although it was raining, we went for a walk. The second sentence is, after she finished her homework, she went to bed. Or alternatively, she finished her homework before she went to bed. The third sentence is, because he was tired, he went to bed early. Well done for making the correct sentences. Here are examples of complex sentences used in composition. The blue text indicates the subject, the red text shows the verb, and the bold text highlights the conjunction. By carefully reading this composition, I hope you can recognize complex sentences and gain a clear understanding of how to use them effectively. You can compare both the English and Bahasa Indonesia composition. Please stop the recording to learn the sentences. Please continue to do the same like the previous slides. The blue text indicates the subject, the red text shows the verbs, and the bold text highlights the conjunction. By carefully reading this composition, I hope you can recognize complex sentences and gain a clear understanding of how to use them effectively. You can compare both the English and Bahasa Indonesia composition. Please stop the recording to learn the sentences. This concludes our current slides. We have explored the components of complex sentences in both Bahasa Indonesia and in English. From the samples provided here, I hope you can gain understanding on how to use the complex sentence effectively for translating. Take care and good luck for your study. Thank you so much and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.